In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart content in HubSpot emails, a powerful feature that can personalize your email campaigns to resonate more effectively with your audience. By customizing the experience for each recipient, you're more likely to engage them and achieve better results. So let's dive right in and walk through the entire process from start to finish. To get started, you'll first want to head over to the HubSpot website. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option prominently displayed. You'll need to click on this to proceed and access your account. Logging in allows you to utilize all the features HubSpot offers, including the smart content tools we'll be exploring today. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, navigate your way over to the Marketing tab. This is where most of your email operations and settings will be managed. Once you've clicked on Marketing, the next step is to select Email. This will take you to the section where you can create and edit your email campaigns. When you're in the email section, locate the email you want to work on. Once you've found it, click on Edit. This action opens the email editor where you can make changes. HubSpot's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find it relatively easy to move through these steps. Now, within the edit mode, look around for an option labeled More. Click on this to reveal additional settings and features you can apply to your email. Here's where it gets exciting. Click on Add Smart Rule. This feature is what enables you to add smart content to your email. Smart content allows the email to change dynamically based on specific criteria you set. For example, you can modify your email's message, images, or offers based on a recipient's location, device type, or even their stage in the sales funnel. This level of personalization can dramatically increase engagement and conversion rates as you tailor the message directly to the recipient's needs and preferences. Remember to review each smart rule you set up to ensure it's aligning with your campaign goals. It's always good practice to test your emails before sending them out. Doing so lets you see how recipients will experience your email and allows you to tweak it as needed to get it just right. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now added smart content to your HubSpot email. This feature opens up a new world of possibilities in email marketing, making your communications more engaging and tailored to the specific interests of your audience. Keep experimenting with different smart rules to find what works best for your campaigns. I hope you found this guide helpful and look forward to seeing you in the next video.